It is time for the big reveal. Say hi, baby. Hi. What is up, y'all? Arianna here, back with another video. Y'all, I'm so excited. Now, first, let me say I am so grateful to be able to make this video because just a few years ago, your girl was not in a good situation. So I'm just like really happy and grateful to even be able to have an office to redo. But anyway, let's get into that before.
What is this, honey? What is going on up in here?
As you can see, it's pretty bland. It wasn't giving me what I needed it to give, and very disorganized. But no worries, it's time to airy it up.
Huh?
Can I make that an adjective? Arilicious.
What? Child. Anyways.
So when it came to my room makeover, there were 3 things that were at the top of my list that I had to focus on. The first thing is functionality. This room has a ton of different purposes. Like, I film auditions in here, I film content, I edit, I take meetings, I get ready for the day, you know, do my hair and makeup. So I really want to focus on making this space more multi-purpose friendly. So the first thing that I did was rearrange the furniture. I moved the console out of that corner and put it on the other side of the room. And I forgot to lock the wheels, so it was a little bit more difficult than it had to be. I'm over there straining my neck. I ended up putting the desk in its place to kind of create like almost like a cubicle, like a cubby area, because the side of the desk that's against the wall, I'm turning into a beauty area, and then the other big top part of the desk is my work area. It gives me so much more space in the actual room to film, take photos, do whatever, play with Bella, have a little dance party, play dress up, you know, just girly things. Now for creating content, I don't know if y'all follow me on any other of my platforms, but your girl has been putting stuff out, your girl has been creating, but beforehand, the backdrop of my videos was just like, eek. So I decided to create a little open wardrobe wall sort of thing. I don't know if it's really an open wardrobe wall, but it's an open wardrobe section on a wall full of clothing. I guess it's kind of like a wardrobe accessory area, but you know your girl's gotta save that coin. So of course I DIY'd my wardrobe. I got this bookshelf from Target for like $30. Brandon put it together for me, and that is going to be like my wardrobe and shoe stand. And then I moved the console next to it. We added a TV so I could watch the TV while I'm in here doing my work, or if I want to have like a logo or something up, I can put it on the TV. I also got a dresser from Target as well, coming in clutch, and I put that into the corner, and above it, Brandon installed some floating shelves for me so I could put some more accessories and cute things on it. One of my favorite things about this office is the lighting. Now, I procrastinated and I'm filming at night, which is why I have the ring light. But during the day, the golden sunlight that comes into this room, gives me a boost of, is it serotonin or dopamine? But the only thing is that the whiteboards are directly across from the window. So if I want to film or take pictures to get the good lighting, the whiteboards in the background are just like, eek, not cute. And I used the wrong cleaner on one, so it doesn't even dry erase anymore. But I really like to use a whiteboard because it really motivates me to plan and helps me see everything that I need to remember it all in one place. So we installed a curtain rod with pink velvet curtains. I got these from Amazon, y'all. I just got these from Amazon, you know. So now I can close the curtains and make things in front of it. And if it was still daytime, if I hadn't procrastinated all day, then y'all would have seen the golden light on me. But the ring light, you know, the ring light's still doing your girl justice. Sometimes I just wonder, why am I like this? So that's what I did to make my space a lot more functional for all the different things that I do. The second thing that I'm focusing on when redoing the space is organization. The Virgo in me gets a headache every single time that I walk into the office and it's like looking crazy, but then my ADHD takes over and I just like ignore it. So first I consolidated. I went through all of my makeup. I went through all of my skincare products. I swatched all my makeup products to see which ones I liked, which ones I wanted to keep. And I only swatched the ones that like were open. I have a few things that I haven't opened, like new products that I'm actually gonna donate. So if you guys know any good charities in LA that takes beauty products, makeup products, I wanna make sure that I'm giving my products to somewhere good, that the people are actually gonna be able to get the products and use the products. So let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions. I went through all of my clothes. I also will be listing a lot of stuff on my Poshmark. I have a few things up already, so go check it out. I have it linked in the description down below. So now that I actually have the space for everything in the office, it is now time to have a specific place for everything in the office. I know myself, and I know that if I don't have a specific place for something, then I'm just gonna leave it anywhere. And that's how the office ended up how it was before. It's easier to put things back when I know exactly where it belongs. And the last thing that I focused on when redoing the office is making sure that it felt personalized. I want this room to scream Arianna. And the best way to personalize your space is in the details. Some of the things that I did to personalize my space were getting pink marble contact paper to put on the desktop to kind of give it a little flair. Plus it's waterproof and it's easier to wipe makeup off of it because my desk kind of got stained when I was doing my makeup on it. It don't look cute. Look a little nasty, but it's really just foundation. I also decided to spray paint all of the metals in my room rose gold. I know the internet or TikTok or whatever said that rose gold is like out now or whatever, but my room is pink and rose gold just goes best with pink. And also, like I said, I'm personalizing it for me. So I spray everything rose gold. Now, I am not a DIY expert, and I think I was missing like a sealant. I thought it was one of those 2-in-1 ones, because all the ones I've ever gotten are like the 2-in-1 where it's like the spray and the sealant, but I didn't read this can right. I also got these lights from Amazon that come in a pack of 5 lights, and you just stick them. They come with a sticker on the back. You just take off the little paper and you stick it to whatever you're trying to put it on. Y'all, they add such an ambiance to the office. It makes me feel fancy. I feel like this is what childhood me thought that adult life would be like have a closet with like the spotlights. So I'm like living out a childhood dream with that. Some of the other things that I did to add a little detail were adding knobs to the dresser. I got these knobs on Amazon. It came in a pack, I think like 16 or 17. It's a weird number. I don't know if that's the right number, but it was like a pack of something teen. They're actual drawer knobs that you can like screw in, but your girl, like I said, I'm not a skilled expert DIYer, so I just used E6000 glue. And then I had to tape them on so that it stuck into place. So I put the glue and then used tape to just set it, and then took the tape off once it was dry 24 hours later. I got all matching hangers. I have never, ever had a closet with all matching hangers. There's no more plastic hangers, y'all. This is a big moment for me. Like, I'm officially adulting. I know I'm grown. I should have been adulting already. But you know, I had to take baby steps. Baby steps. I even got special hangers for like my 2-piece sets. I also finally got a skincare fridge. I've been talking about having a skincare fridge since we were looking at this apartment before we moved in. Forget a bar cart. This is gonna be my skincare area. Literally the skincare fridge is gonna go right there. There's just so many details, so many little things that I thought about when I was cultivating this space. And I'm really glad that I did, because I really personalized it, and I walk in here and I feel like this is my space. So now that we've got that out of the way, it is time for the big reveal.